What is up, everybody? JG Cosmic Gamer back here with another video, and today I'm going to unbox WWE 2K18 Cena Nuff Collector's Edition. Without further ado, let's get to the unboxing. I got the plastic off. Here's what the front looks like. Whoa. There's the front. Here's the back. Put this to the side. Right, this is what the collector's edition box looks like. All the John Cena logos that he's had over the years. Right, let's open this up. Right, what's in here? We got a WWE 2K18 Cena Nuff exclusive action figure. Here's the back. Sorry about that glare. The light in my room is really bright. Alright, let's put this to the side right now. What's in here? Got a cardboard box. Let's see what's in here. Whoa. It's a mini plaque. Let's open this up carefully. We don't want to scratch it. Right, this collectible contains an actual piece of the ring canvas from the 2017 WWE Royal Rumble. It's a picture of John Cena winning the WWE Championship when he beat AJ Styles, and also when John Cena became the tied Ric Flair's record to become the 16th-time World Heavyweight Champion. And what I find funny is that, like, I'm holding a mini plaque of, like, John Cena winning his 16th championship when I'm obviously wearing a AJ Styles t-shirt. Alright, what's the last item we got in here? Got something about Super Card, which I don't play at all. For the collector's edition of WWE 2K18, we are proud to offer you this exclusive Cena Nuff content for WWE Supercard, WWE, and 2K's biggest mobile game of all time. Collect your favorite WWE superstars, train them up, and battle other players around the world. Well, I don't play Supercard, but this is what it looks like. Last up is the game. WWE 2K18 with Seth Rollins on the cover. There's the back. Alright, let's open this up. Right, there it is without the plastic. Show you again. Nice. Let's see what's in here. Right, we got the WWE 2K18 Deluxe Edition pack, which includes both versions of Kurt Angle when he was younger, and Kurt Angle from 2006, as well as Rob Van Dam, Batista, and 2 John Cenas, as well as the Season Pass. And on the back is just the code to access the downloadable content, but I'm not going to show you that code. Supercard again, which I really don't play Supercard. Put those aside. Lastly is the instruction manual. Alright, that's not important. It's just like saying, like, you know, if anyone has, like, you know, epilepsy or seizures, like, you know, like it basically says, like, you know, seek a doctor, like, you know, you start having seizures, something like that. And then lastly is the game. And that's pretty much it, guys. So anyway, if you enjoyed this unboxing, be sure to leave a like, a comment, and if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. And I will see you guys later.